Honourable Minister Usumati, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I'd like to first of all commend the committee for the work that they've done on this report. It's a very succinct report, and I think it captures the essence of what FDB has been undertaking. I'll not be speaking on the recommendations in particular, but on just one particular issue, and that is to recognize and appreciate the effort that the Fiji Development Bank undertook in terms of trying to assist the development of affordable clean energy. This is something that's highlighted in the forward and also highlighted in section 4.9 of the report itself. And I'm talking in particular about the Sustainable Energy Financing Facility that was implemented through FDB as part of the Sustainable Energy Financing Project, which is undertaken by the World Bank together with the Department of Energy in my ministry. In Fiji at the moment, we have a number of targets in relation to greenhouse gas emission, and also in relation to energy access, and in relation to trying to convert the use of fossil fuel-based energy more towards renewable energy. For electricity access, the target is 100% of people in Fiji to have access to electricity by the year 2021. And for renewable energy, the target is to have 100% of all energy in Fiji being coming from renewable sources. So the development of this facility within FDB that allowed, under this project, the project guaranteed half of each loan was provided for by the banks for the financing of renewable energy technologies using the private sector in Fiji. And the objective of the program was to increase the adoption and use of renewable energy technologies and the more efficient use of energy through a package of incentives to encourage local financial institutions. So this development, what FDB has done, is really trying to get the private sector involved in this activity of moving away from fossil fuel-based energy and more into renewable energies. And as I said before, the target to reduce, our overall target in Fiji is to reduce carbon emissions by 30% by the year 2030. And in order to achieve this target, we have to do two things. One, 20% of that 30% reduction will be done by moving from fossil fuel to renewable energy, and the other 10% will be by being more efficient in the way that we use energy. For instance, in changing the kind of lights that we use, to use ones that use less electricity. It's important to note that the program that was undertaken in the Fiji Development Bank is part of a project that was done across the Pacific. But the one that was done in Fiji was the most successful of them all. The project worked well in Fiji compared to what happened to other countries, and this is because of the partnership with the Fiji Development Bank. And the operation of this project in Fiji has been used to assist all of the other countries. And as a result of the success of the project and the work that has been undertaken by the FDB, the World Bank has made preparations to relaunch this program as a regional one managed by Fiji and initially to include Vanuatu. So I think this further development, we have to recognize the effort that FDB put in place. Under this Sustainable Energy Financing Project, there were a total of 43 loans that were provided to 9 different suppliers. And from this total, FDB provided 10 loans to 5 different suppliers. So we applaud FDB for the work that it's done. It's been an exemplar in the execution of this program, and this is leading to more work that is being done under the Sustainable Energy Financing Project. And I notice also from paragraph 4 that despite the expiry of the arrangement with the World Bank, the bank still continues to progress private sector-led infrastructure development that supports clean and affordable energy. And as I pointed out, this is a major target. Our Prime Minister is the champion for climate change activities, reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. So we applaud the work of the FDB that is bringing the private sector to become also involved in reducing greenhouse gas emissions by moving away from fossil-based energy to ones that is more renewable. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.